We are starting with question number 20 of exercise 4 of ITF. Tan inverse of 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus tan inverse of 1 upon 4x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse of 2 upon x square. So basically we need to find out the value of x over here. So let this be x and let this be y. So we can apply tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y upon tau. So that is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Okay, now by comparing tan inverse and tan inverse will get eliminated. Okay, so we are left with this entire thing which is equal to 2 upon x square. Take LCM in the numerator as well as denominator. So 4x plus 1 upon plus 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 into 4x plus 1 the whole upon 2x plus 1 4x plus 1 minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 4x plus 1 is equal to 2 upon x square. Some cancellations. So this part is 6x plus 2. Okay. Upon this part is 8x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 1. That is 8x square plus 6x. Take 2 common, 3x plus 1. And then take 2x common. So this will be 4x plus 3. 2 upon x square. 2 is getting cancelled. And 1x and 1x from both the sides will get cancelled. Okay. So 3x plus 1 into x is equal to 2 into 4x plus 3. 3x square plus x is equal to 8x plus 6. So 3x square plus x minus 8x is minus 7x. Okay, minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so 3 into minus 6, that is 3 into minus 6, that is minus 18. The factors are 9 and 2. I'll take minus 9 plus 2 because we have minus and 15. Okay, so 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 18 is equal to 0. 3x x minus 3. Just a second. 3x square minus 7x minus 6. It's not minus 18, minus 6, sorry. And 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 2 by. Now what we'll do is we'll put these values in the given state and check whether LHS is equal to RHS, because randomly we cannot say these two are the right answers. Okay. So put x equal to 3 in the given state. So tan inverse of 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 plus tan inverse of 1 upon 4 into 3 plus 1. Okay, is equal to tan inverse of 2 upon 3 square. So tan inverse of 1 upon 6 plus 1, that is 7, plus tan inverse of 1 upon 3 plus 1, that is 13, is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 9. This we need to prove whether we are getting tan inverse of 2 by 9. So let this be x, let this be y. So tan inverse of 1 by 13 minus, sorry, tan inverse of x plus y, 1 minus x into y. Okay, tan inverse of 13 plus 7, that is 20 upon 13 into 7, and this will be 13 into 7, is 91 minus 1 upon 13 into 7, cancellation. So 20 upon 90, this gives me 20 upon 90, which is tan inverse of 2 by 9. So that means x equal to 3 is one of the solutions. Okay. Now secondly, what you can do is, we got one more value, x equal to 3 I have tested for. Now you can put x equal to minus 2 by 3 in the given statement. You put it over here in the given statement and check whether LHS is equal to RHS. If it is equal, then x equal to minus 2 by 3 is also a solution. Okay, that I leave it up to you. You can check it for yourself. Fine. So x is equal to 3. Yes, it's one of the solutions. X equal to minus 2 by 3 is the solution or not, that you need to check. So that I leave it up to you. Let's go to the next problem. Question number 21. Tan inverse of x minus 2 upon x minus 4 plus tan inverse of x plus 2 x plus 4 equal to pi by 4. Okay. So this is x and this is y. Tan inverse of x plus y, 1 minus x into y, is equal to 45 degrees. Convert pi by 4 to degrees. Take tan inverse on the other side, and within the box bracket take LCM. X minus 2 x plus 4 plus x plus 2 x minus 4, and down x minus 4 x plus 4 minus x minus 2 x plus 2 is equal to tan 45. So this is how you can simplify. See, when you take LCM, some terms will get cancelled. X minus 4 x plus 4 will get cancelled after taking LCM. Okay? So we have to solve this. Tan 45 is 1. So this part is x square plus 2x minus 8. X square plus 2x minus 8 plus this part, x square minus 4x minus 8 plus x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 8, sorry, is equal to 1. This is x square minus 16 minus x square minus x square minus 16. Put a bracket because in between we are having a minus sign, x square minus 2. Okay. So plus 2x minus 2x is 1. So 2x square minus 16 x square is 1. Down we are having minus 12 is equal to 1. So 2x square minus 16 is equal to minus 12. 2x square is equal to 4. X square is equal to 2. X is equal to plus minus root. Okay. Now we need to test this value in the given statement. We don't know whether plus root 2 or minus root 2 is the answer or both are the answer. So put x is equal to root 2 in the given statement. Tan inverse of root 2 minus 2, root 2 minus 4 plus tan inverse of root 2 plus 2, root 2 plus 4 is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45 degrees. Okay, so let's check this. Tan inverse of root 2 minus 2. Okay, so root 2 minus 2 again, see, we'll have to use calculator over here. Root 2 is 1.414 minus 2. So 1.414 minus 2, that is minus 0.56. 1.414 minus 4 minus 2.56 plus tan inverse of 1.414 plus 2, 3.414, 1.414 plus 4, 5.414. Okay, so this is tan inverse of 0.56 divided by 2.586, that is 0.22. Okay, plus tan inverse of, okay, 3.414 divided by 5.414. This is 0.63. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula I'm following. So tan inverse of x plus y, 0.22 plus 0.63. Okay, so that is 0.85. Okay, upon 1 minus 0.22 into 0.6, 0.1386. So tan inverse of 1 minus 0.1386, 0.8614, and this is 0.85 in the numerator. Okay, now we are mostly playing with approximations. Okay, so 0.85 divided by 0.8614. So that is 0.967. So this is almost equal to 0.99. Okay, or 1. So this is tan inverse of 1. And tan inverse of 1 is nothing but 45 degrees. That means this is one of the possible answers. Now, what you have to do is x is equal to root 2 is one of the possible answers. Okay. Now, what you do is you can also put x is equal to minus root 2 in this and check whether you're getting 45 degrees or not. If you are getting 45 degrees, then minus root is also one of the answers. Okay. Yeah. So this is question number 21. We'll proceed with question number 22. Okay. So question number 22, given that 2 tan inverse cos x, okay, equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Now we'll apply 2 tan inverse x formula in the left hand side. So let this entire thing be x. So what is 2 tan inverse x? 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay, I'll write this as 2 upon sin x, cosec x s. Now what is x? X is cos x. See, 2 tan inverse x. So put x as cos x. So tan inverse of 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x. X square, x is cos x. So cos square x. Tan inverse of 2 upon sin x. By comparison, tan inverse and tan inverse is getting cancelled. 1 minus sin square x will become cos square. So 2 cos x upon sin square x, okay, equal to 2 upon sin x. 2 also will get cancelled. Sine square and sine will get cancelled. So we got cos x upon sin x is equal to 1. So cot x is equal to 1. Okay, but we know cot 45 degrees is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 45 degrees, which is 5. Relatively simple problem. Okay. Yeah. Let us go to question number 20. Sub question 1. Sine of cot inverse cos of tan inverse. So this is the problem. We'll put few brackets over here. So it looks very systematic. Look at the round bracket first. So we'll convert this into cos inverse. So cot inverse of cos inverse. Okay. Now conversion into cos inverse for here will be done by triangle method. So I'll take a rough page. Okay. Let tan inverse x be a. Therefore, x is equal to tan. Therefore, tan a is equal to x upon 1. Let's put a triangle over here, 90 degrees a. This is x and this is 1. So this is a root of 1 plus x square. Okay, by Pythagoras here. Fine. Therefore, cos a. See, we require cos inverse. Na? So cos a is equal to 1 upon root of 1 plus x square. Therefore, a is equal to cos inverse of 1 upon root of 1 plus x square. Okay. So tan inverse x is nothing but cos inverse of 1 upon root of 1 plus x. So this value I'll put it over here. Tan inverse x is cos inverse of root of 1 upon root of 1 plus x. So cos and cos inverse is getting cancelled. So this is sine cot inverse of 1 upon root of 1 plus x. Okay. Now cot inverse is nothing but tan inverse. If we take the reciprocal, so reciprocate the value also. Reciprocal, reciprocal. Okay. Now this tan inverse, I will convert it into sine using triangle method. Okay. So sine inverse. Let me just rewrite this. Sorry. So cot inverse is written as tan inverse. And the reciprocal of the value. Okay. Now this I will convert it into sine inverse. Sine of sine inverse. Okay. So let tan inverse root plus 1 plus x square is equal to b. Therefore, tan b is equal to root of 1 plus x square. Right. Okay. Therefore, tan b is equal to root of x square upon 1. So this is 1. This is root of 1 plus x square. And this is 1. Now the hypotenuse we'll have to find out using Pythagoras theorem. So this is root of the ones which I have made in circle, the square of that. Okay. So what is the square of root of 1 plus x square? It is 1 plus x square, and square of 1 is 1. So this will be root of 2 plus x. Okay. Therefore, sine b. Remember, we are finding out the value of sine b. Sine b is equal to root of 1 plus x square upon root of 2 plus x. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Therefore, b is equal to sine inverse root of 1 plus x square upon root of 2 plus x. Okay. So tan inverse is converted into sine. So sine inverse of root of 1 plus x square on root of 2 plus x. Now sine and sine inverse is getting cancelled. So we are left with this. This is the final answer. So twice we used triangle method to get the answer. Okay. Yeah. Let us go to the next problem, that is question number 20. Sub question 2. Right. Question 23, sub question 2. I'll not solve this problem, but then I'll just give you a hint. Sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. Okay. Convert this into tan inverse using triangle method. Convert this into tan inverse using reciprocals. Cot inverse is tan inverse and reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Now use tan inverse x plus y. Okay. So tan inverse of x plus y 1 minus x y, that will be your equation. Cancel tan and tan inverse. Put the values of x and y and get the answer. Okay. That was your question number 23, sub question 2. Next problem. Question number 23, sub question 3. Okay. Cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of x by 2 plus root 3 minus 3x square whole. So this gives you cos inverse of cos inverse half into x plus half into, take root 3 common, 1 minus x. So this is cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of half into x. So root 3 into 1 will be root 3 by 2 and root of 1 minus x. Okay. Now see, outside there is cos inverse. So somehow I will make this entire term as cos. Okay. Now what I will do is, I will make this x as cos theta. I'll put this x as cos theta. Okay. Okay, you can also put as sin theta, not a problem. But then preferably put a cos theta because outside there is cos. So 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square is 1 minus cos square theta, which is sin square theta. So square root of 1 minus x square is sin theta. So this value is cos theta and this root value will be sin theta. Okay, I hope you understood. So cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of half into cos theta root 3 by 2 into sin theta. Cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of half. Now half I am writing it as cos 60 because outside there is cos. Okay, and root 3 by 2 I'll write it as sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, now understand the pattern. A B A B. So this is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So that is cos A minus. Okay, so cos inverse of cos inverse of cos A. What is A? A is 60. B is theta. cos 60 minus theta. So cos inverse and cos is getting cancelled. Okay. So cos inverse of x plus 60 degree minus theta. Now we have taken excess cos theta earlier. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse of x. So make this theta as cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of x is good. 60 degree converted into radians. 60 into pi by 1, which is equal to pi by 3. So the answer is pi by 3 over. Okay. Let us go to question number 24. Cos of sine inverse 1 by 9. Need to find out the value of x. So this is cos of cos inverse root 1 minus x. Okay. Sine inverse x is cos of root 1 minus x. So cos inverse and cos will get cancelled. Fine. So root 1 minus x square is equal to 1 by 9. 1 by x square is equal to 1 by 81, squaring both the sides. 1 minus 1 by 81 is equal to x square. So x square is equal to 80 by 81. X is equal to plus or minus root of 80 by 80. Okay. And here both values are valid because if you put this value over here and if this is positive, cos of positive is also positive and cos of negative value, if it is minus root 80 upon 81. So sine of minus is minus sign. So cos of negative it will. I don't know whether you're understanding or not, but then put this values over there. In both the cases, the cos will be positive only. Cos of positive is positive, cos of negative is positive. Okay, so both the answers will work over. Fine, plus minus. Yeah. Next problem, question number 25. Tan of half sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus x. So this gives me tan of half. This will be 2 tan inverse x and this will be 2 tan inverse y. Okay, these are proper formulae. We are not applying any random thing over here. These are proper formulae. Take 2 common outside the box bracket. Then we are left with tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. These 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now within the bracket apply the formula. Tan of tan inverse x plus y 1 minus x. So tan of tan inverse is getting cancelled and we are left with this. So this is the final answer. Okay. We'll continue with the rest of the problems in the next session. Fine.